are going to be driving the tractor. We're going to be disking up the fields and just getting the fields ready for planting. I have my sidekick here. We just got started and she already fell asleep. Just like a car ride. So we're going to get going. Behind me called a disc. It has these metal round wheels that go round and around and it breaks up the soil. There's 2 rows of them. And it just loosens up the soil in the winter. Turns it over. Started driving the tractor until me and my husband were married, even though growing up on a farm my whole life. My dad and my brother did it. So, new learning curve for me. I'm still not the best at it, but I at least can do some work and feel helpful. And this, I don't have to stay in straight lines. Not planting anything, not too worried. The only thing I do worry about is if I get stuck, which I already did the first pass. But luckily, I was able to get myself unstuck and not have to ask for help to get me out, because it just makes me feel bad that I have to ask for help. So there's wet spots in the field and it will just drag your tires right in, and it's too wet. The tractors are obviously pretty heavy. You need another tractor to pull you out. I can show you where I got stuck too. I always love planting season. I'm a gardener as well, so this is just like a big garden. You're planting your food for your animals. This has all been tilled right here. See how it's all broken up. Oh, and right over here, this is where I was getting myself stuck. Luckily, I was able to turn around. So, it's a little wet down there yet. So I just went up a little higher where it's been drier. So you can see how this field is all, on the left here, it's all solid yet. And now we're getting the ground ready to plant the next season's crop. So this is get a little nervous on the hills. I feel like I'm going to tip. It says I'm not, but I guess I just get a little nervous. So, slowly been making my way up higher on the hills and being more courageous. But, I mean, I could barely back up my car, let alone how to figure out how to back a tractor up with a piece of equipment that is going the wrong way is what I think, and it just gets a little messy sometimes. So as long as I can go forward and turn around, usually pretty good. Hey everybody, look who woke up! Emily! Are you awake? Yeah. Are you helping me? No. You want to help who? You want to help who? Get that stuck? Who do you want to help? Daddy? You don't want to help me? You want to help Daddy? You can help Daddy do what? Yuck. What kind of yuck? Cow poop?
Yeah.
You want to help manure with Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yuck. The cow poop. Is he waiting for you? You help Daddy and Kaylee's going to come in here? What do you think? Uh-huh. I think so. Look who showed up.
We have mints.
Alright, parking brake off, seatbelt down. Check. Water bottle with you. Alright, let's go. Let's look what else I have. Chase card. What's up? Not right now? Okay.
I spy something green and black.
Green and black.
Hot.
I'm hot. Grass?
Hot. You're looking at it. Hot.
What am I looking at?
Hot.
The cord?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Good one. I spy something white.
Give me a key.
Not yet.
Is it a bobcat?
Nope.
Is it a brown? Is it a sandstick?
Something that's moving.
I know.
What?
Is it this?
Nope.
Is it a tractor?
Nope.
Is it a bobcat?
No.
I don't know.
Something in the tractor. Nope. It's white in the tractor.
Is it moving?
And it's really close to you.
Yeah.
Nope. Yeah. Just watching. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Desk is down.
I can
So,
go.
yep, I'll keep it right on the edge.
What am I doing?
Don't go in what's already done. Right there, okay? So just turn your wheel until you get to the edge. What kind of driver are you? Not watching where you're going?
Do you do this flower?
Yeah, front one.
Stop.
Hey, what's over there?
Hey, what goes over there?
Look, what? Oh, you got me. I never would have guessed you were going to do that.
Hey, what goes over there?
I can't. I have to drive the tractor. I have to turn around. I have to pay attention, right? To what I'm doing. Hey.
Hey, what goes over there? Mama's got
Yay! We're done with that field. How's it feel? Teamwork.
Tina makes sushi.
Bam.
Bam, 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 bam.
Slow down a little bit.
Go to there. I'm going to honk it
You're
there.
gonna honk at Dad. Think he can hear you?
No. I'm just going to honk at him when he gets out.
I think we should get out.
Are we going to get out?
Yeah.
When?
As soon as we park it.
I'm coming in to stop. Okay, Mom?
Let's get off the road so Daddy can get by.
Stop. What is Daddy doing?
Well, there we go. One field done. How many more? 3 more?
4.
4 more?
I think 5.
5 more?
This is one next door.
A lot more?
I think we have 6 more. I think.
Well, that took all afternoon, didn't it? So, we're gonna go get some supper, then go milk cows, get you girls to bed, and then, alright. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Have a great day. Bye.